Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum rather slow today. Bitcoin seems to be leading as it's heading towards, well, new all-time highs possibly, at least towards them. We'll see if we actually break the all-time high. But Ethereum rather quiet still, yeah. Still rather quiet and still moving within that, first of all, moving below the critical $3,741 level, and actually the price touched the 3,590 level, which was one of the main resistance levels, structural resistance levels here on the chart, talked about in the last few videos. If we scroll to the left, here it is the April 22 high, basically touched it, got a little bit of a rejection, but nothing major. So let's go back to the 1 hour chart. Nothing major there. What I have done in this chart here today is I have just adjusted the structure slightly from what could have been a triangle pattern here that broke to the upside, but it's too slow for a triangle break, to basically an ending diagonal pattern. Okay, so that the obviously the idea was, if you watched the previous video, you know that that wave 2 bottomed here on the 21st of Feb. We're now possibly in wave 1 of a larger degree third wave. Now, what we have to say is that in this scenario, we already have a potential 5-wave move up, basically nearly complete. We have a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3. Then this could be the wave 4. Okay, in the previous videos we discussed maybe this was a triangle. Well, it did go the right way, but it doesn't look like a triangle anymore, not with that weak breakout. So instead, I see it similar to Bitcoin. I see it like an ending diagonal. So we have a wave 1, we have a wave 2 of wave 5. This here now could be wave 3. Should ideally still stretch a little higher, that third wave, to be honest. Then we could still get a 4 and a 5. And the thing is, it will take us probably very close to that 3,741 resistance level. Above that level, I assume we will not get a wave 2 anymore. We're already in the third wave of the third wave, as discussed in previous videos. Just checking sort of, if we talk about, you know, targets here, to be honest, that diagonal pattern, the third, should stretch to 3,700 minimally. And then we should get a 4 and 5. I mean, again, that would take us actually above that 3,741 level. Why is that level so important? I just mentioned it and I explained it in previous videos. If we get a sustained, needs to be a sustained break though, sustained break above that level, it indicates that we should stop looking for such a wave 2 pullback, because basically it's extended too much in circle wave 1, and then it becomes very unlikely that we still get a decent wave 2 pullback. The move up looks a bit like a diagonal pattern though. But yeah, for me, the question is only, does the market offer a pullback or not? At the moment, if we get such a pullback, the support area is between 3,015 and $3,297. It's between the 78.6 retracement level and the 38.2 retracement level. So these are the key levels, basically, okay? These are the key levels to watch, and only a break below $3,015 would indicate that the alternative wave count is playing out. Until then, the focus is on higher. Yep, if the market makes a wave 2 pullback available, it could be an opportunity. At the moment, there is no sign of such a pullback, but because we're moving up in, yeah, what looks like an ending diagonal, I think the chances are there, you know, the possibility is there that this here is only wave 5 still of wave 1. It does take now, however, a break below the last swing low here, 3,370, to indicate that a top has formed in wave 5 of 1 and that we're moving down in wave 2. And then this would need to be further confirmed, obviously, with a break below $3,300 basically. I do take the, just want to take the red line out. We don't need that anymore because that red line was our previous confirmation level. So where we said, okay, if we break below that level, it indicates wave 2 is unfolding. But now, because we have to move the support area with the price all the time, there isn't really any point of having that line on the chart. And then if this is an ending diagonal, which started here on the 28th of Feb, then we're dealing with ABC structures in the sub waves. Not much more to add really, so hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.